Welcome to Malamute Ranch after a big snowstorm. Some people think Malamutes don't belong in Arizona, but we live in northern Arizona. It can be snowy. That's Kopi. She takes care of me. Yep, it's snow all right. It's comfortable like snow. Oh yeah, that's good. We had a big snowstorm here in January of 2010. Snow piled deep everywhere. In the kennels, on the barn, in the dog yard. But most of the dogs had gone to a race at Mount Shasta, California. Some are still here though. Monabi, aka Mo, and Misty, and Nuvak. Kopi and Rock are up at the house. I think Misty'd rather be in California. But I keep her platform shovel. She can hide out underneath it if she wants. And I think she likes her newly insulated doghouse. And the icicles on the barn are kind of pretty. Although I'm not so sure Misty notices. Mo's house snowed over one day when he didn't go inside. I had to dig it completely out. Snow's piled high and big drifts all over. And in the canine corral, it's so deep the dog could jump over the 5-foot fence if somebody let him. Not so the dog yard though. And with all those dogs gone, it's a great place to play. Hi, Misty. Keep-away's a lot of fun. And there's a lot of places to hide in here, too. Where'd she go? You come out of there. In there anyway. Ah, nothing. Time to let Nuvak into play. You're kind of grouchy. You have to play by yourself. Nuvak doesn't seem to mind. In fact, I think she likes trouble. Well, it's getting to be time to dig out that snowmobile and get ready to go to work. Hope it starts. Yeah, it started. Now I have an easy ride to the car 3 miles away. Not much use for cars on the premises currently. But I don't know. I'm not into speed or noise. And frankly, I need a cardio workout. So I think I'll go to work the old-fashioned way. Fun's over for now until the next big storm. I hear it might snow on Tuesday.